Working at heights means not always knowing where the job will take you. That's why you want equipment that's flexible enough to adapt to a variety of situations. Introducing the 3M DBI SALA Nano Lok Wrap Back SRL, a fall protection device and tie-off in one. This versatile solution is specifically designed to be tied off anywhere along its own Lifeline component, helping provide a secure connection to beams, rebar walls, or other structures that can properly support fall arrest forces. This can be done either overhead or at foot level on non-sharp edges. Our first web SRL connector approved for foot level tie-off. The Nano Lok Wrap Back SRL features a pin-style connector, so it attaches quickly and easily to your harness webbing. With such a wide variety of at-height environments and applications in the workplace, you can confidently consolidate and simplify your equipment thanks to the safety and versatility of the Nano Lok Wrap Back SRL. To learn more